So the steps that you're going to do are like this. That's your skirt flare kick, and then you pose. That's 8 counts. And then you repeat it and end up facing front. Flare kick, and it's time for a cue. So we would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's time for. So let's just go over the feet a little bit more before we add the arms. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, the first move that you ever do with the skirt is picking it up with the curtsy swish. So you already have your skirt, but for this one you're going to let go with the left hand. So you have your skirt out, you let go and do 7, 8, 1, 2. Now you step 3, 4, and that's where you get the flare. 5, 6. There's your nice pose, that's 5, 6, and you're doing a step touch pose. Your skirt is out, and you're looking back like over your shoulder, sort of. You know, you're just looking like you're looking like that. So you repeat it from the cue, even though everybody's facing that into the back. So it's 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at that point you can either grab your skirt like that, or as you come around with that flare kick, you can pick it up. Works better with the full skirt. So we're dancing along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Step, flare, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Step, flare, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3.